Yeah, I'm Buang Moloto, the CEO of Linhleko Projects and also the chairperson of the Buang Moloto Foundation. Yeah, I mean, first of all, we talk about in South Africa about inclusive growth, and then when we talk about inclusive growth, it means everybody in the country ought to benefit from the economic activities in the country, and then we have realized that township has got that many townships do not have a lot of economic activity, so it's very important that we expose our people to the many economic opportunities that are there. So it's as simple as that. First of all, from my Buang Moloto Foundation point of view, we believe in one of our priorities is to strengthen society. We believe in uplifting and empowering communities. So when we look at TA, we felt that this is something that will go a long way in empowering our communities in terms of providing people with knowledge in terms of how they can better themselves economically. So it fits in line with what we stand for. It was actually marvelous. It was wonderful. I mean, it was engaging. I mean, we had many speakers that gave relevant, insightful topics. The crowd asked pertinent questions, and then the engagement was honorable. I feel that it was value adding. For me as well personally, then I know that there are so many people that want to see difference in their lives and in our community as well. Yes. Yeah, let me start also from the foundation point of view, from Buang Moloto Foundation. On the 12th of April, we are arranging a Messiah's Journey, which is a musical theater that we're going to be hosting at the Civic Center. And then we are showcasing Voices of the Nation, Bokamoso Arts Institute, and various international soloists. And this, we do it as part of promoting arts and culture in the Northwest, and then it is free. But people that want to come must contact our office. And as from the business side, with regard to Linhleko, we have exciting technological advancement. And then we are busy at an advanced stage. We're going to be building a big plant, a 200-ton-an-hour plant, which is a waste chrome recovery plant, and then we're expecting to hire about 60 people from that. So that should be happening in the next 3-5 months, yes. Buang Moloto Foundation, on Facebook, it is Buang Moloto Foundation. Even on TikTok, it is Buang Moloto Foundation, and also we have our own YouTube channel as well. It is also Buang Moloto Foundation. And then even on Twitter, it is Buang Moloto Foundation. So likewise with our Linhleko Project, we've got Linhleko Project on Facebook. We've got Linhleko Project on Twitter, and we also have Linhleko Project on LinkedIn. I'm Buang Moloto, the CEO of Linhleko Projects and the chairperson of the Buang Moloto Foundation, and we love township entrepreneurs.